Pero sa King James Version, ito ay importunity. Importunity means undiscouraged by delayed response. Unrelenting. At sabi diyan, sa NIV, ang translation ay boldness. Pero sa simple Greek translation, sa original text niyan, it means praying without shame or shamelessness. Paano ba tatagalogin to? Shamelessness. Walang kahihiyan. It is not the word that we use when we go to God. It is the word that we use. We need to use when we go to God in prayer. Brother Benji, anong sabihin nun? Walang kahihiyan. It is not the word persistence, but it's the word shamelessness. This man shamelessly knocked on the door, even knowing that this person is already sleeping with this family. Hindi na siya nahiya dahil meron siyang pangangailangan. And when you need something, you have no shame. Pag may matindi kang pangangailangan, hindi ka na mahihiya. Marami na dito sa atin, muntik na mapauwi dahil naubos ang visa natin, na-expire. Pero look at you now. Ilang taong ka na rito? Mas matanda ka pa sa Burj Khalifa at saka Burj Al Arab. Mas matagal ka pa sa metro. Mas matagal ka pa sa Dubai Airport. At mas matagal ka pa sa Trade Center. Yung original na Trade Center. Yung nag-iisang building doon sa 6 Sayed Road. Look at you now. Look at how God bless you through the years because of your prayer to God. Because God is able. Pag may sakit ang magulang mo ngayon, you pray. Pag yung anak mo ngayon, nag-struggle sa college, you pray. Yung asawa mo, parang wala kang tiwala, you pray. Yung biyanan mo, nangingialam sa pamilya mo, you pray. Because God is able. Yung mga may sakit, God is able. Maaaring di mo paniwalaan sinasabi ko, but you have to believe God. Siya ang nagsabi nun eh. Siya ang nagsabi nun, that I am able, sabi ng Panginoon. He is able with any answer that you need. There is nothing going on in your life that God is not both willing and able to supply.